All right. Hi, my name is Kaja and welcome back to my channel. That was dramatic as hell. Today I just wanted to show you guys my wash day routine. So I finally have like a little routine down as far as when I wash my hair, like what shampoos I use, that kind of thing. So I wanted to, why am I turned to this side? Don't know. But I just wanted to show you guys my routine. Because in my lock update video I said I was filming it. If y'all didn't watch my lock update, it'll be in one of these corners, y'all can watch that. But I did say I wanted to like show y'all the shampoos and stuff I've been using. My wash day routine for my starter locks is super simple now, obviously, because if you guys have been following my journey, I don't really use anything in my hair besides water and oil, and I tried aloe vera gel for my last retwist I did, but I kind of just let my hair rock. So it'll be super simple, but let me stop talking because this is probably the longest intro. Like, I've just been fucking talking. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing my wash day routine, you guys can keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I'm starting off by going ahead and saturating my hair completely with water. And I was rubbing my scalp a little bit because my scalp was dirty, child, I'm not even gonna lie. And then I went in with my first shampoo, which is the Taliah Waajid Stimulating Herbal Cleanser. I really like this shampoo because it has a minty feel to it, but I did learn that it was a pre-shampoo, which is probably why I don't lather, but it still works good for like a pre-shampoo, basically. It works for what it is. I just didn't know what it was. The next shampoo I'm going in with is my Aphoghee shampoo for damaged hair. I use this shampoo because I'm not like doing protein treatments. I'm not sure if I can do protein treatments on my locks, but yeah, I just use this to kind of supplement for any like protein treatment, quote unquote, because the shampoo definitely can't replace a protein treatment, but Aphoghee's products are like enriched and like help balance the pH in the hair and stuff like that. So that's why I like to use this shampoo. And since I haven't washed my hair in like a couple weeks, or I haven't been washing it like I usually do, I'm washing it 3 times versus my normal 2. I also try to go ahead and separate my roots in the shower too, just because it's easier to do that while my hair is wet versus trying to rip it apart while my hair is dry. And for the final shampoo is my Shea Moisture Stregnthen Color Care Shampoo. I use this because 1, I love the lather on it. It lathers so good. 2, because I do color my hair, so I like to have a shampoo that's color safe, that will prevent it from like stripping or anything like that. Something that'll be a little bit more gentle on my hair to finish. And I was really focusing on my scalp with all of the shampoos that I use, just because it was dirty and it needed to be cleaned. But none of these shampoos make my hair feel like extra stripped or like super dry or like squeaky or anything like that, which is good since all I'm gonna put on top of it is oil. But yeah, that's basically it for my little shampooing. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a couple more peace signs, and then I'm out. So I'll see y'all. All right, so I'm out the shower, obviously, and I'm about to just oil my hair and scalp. I figured I'd do it on camera because why not? But in this bottle is my Jamaican black castor oil and wild growth oil mix. So it's half of the wild growth that comes in this bottle, obviously, and then half Jamaican black castor oil. And then if I feel like any of them if I feel like any of them need to be separated, I'll go ahead and separate them. And then I'll take the same oil and just oil my scalp real quick. yeah, you guys, that was my wash day routine. After I oil my hair, I just live. Yeah, I don't do anything after I oil my hair. I just let my hair be. I'll let it air dry. If I wash my hair before like bed type thing, I want to try to make sure that I dry it before I go to sleep, so I don't sleep on a wet head, because you know, mold. Excuse what may be a rumbling noise doing laundry. But yeah, that was all for my wash day routine. If you guys have any questions, you can definitely leave them in the comments below. Also in the description box, I'll list the products that I use, which is basically 3 shampoos and an oil. But I'll list them in the description box for you just in case you want to try them out. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching again. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you feel like it. And don't forget, my social medias will be in the description box as well. My social medias will be in the description box as well in case you guys want to connect with me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.